Want to keep your favorite photos on your iPhone? In this video, we'll show you easy ways to transfer pictures from your Mac to your iPhone, using a USB cable or cloud services. Method 1. Transfer photos from Mac to iPhone using iTunes Finder. Connect your iPhone to your Mac via USB. In iTunes, click the device icon, go to Photos, check Sync Photos, and choose a folder. Click Apply to start syncing. Using Finder to transfer photos from Mac to iPhone. Open Finder and connect your iPhone. Tap Trust on your iPhone if asked. Select your iPhone in Finder Photos tab. Check Sync Photos and pick Folders. Click Apply to transfer. View photos in the Photos app. Method 2. Import photos from Mac to iPhone with iPhone Transfer. If iTunes doesn't suit your preferences for syncing photos from Mac to iPhone, consider utilizing iPhone Transfer software. This application simplifies the process of copying photos with just a few clicks. Step 1. Launch the software on your Mac and connect your iPhone to the Mac via USB cable. Click on the Photos icon located at the top of the program's main window. Step 2. Click on the Add button. From the menu that appears, select Add Folder or Add File. Step 3. Choose your wanted images from your Mac computer and tap on Open to export them from Mac to iPhone. Method 3. Move photos from Mac to iPhone via iCloud. Use iCloud photos on your devices. On your iPhone, open the Settings app. Tap your name at the top, then choose iCloud and select Photos. Make sure the iCloud Photos option is turned on. Now, go to your Mac and open the Apple menu. Select System Preferences. Click on iCloud and log in with your Apple ID. Next to the Photos option, click on Options. Then check the box for iCloud Photos and click Done. Use the iCloud website. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled on your iPhone. On your Mac, go to iCloud.com and sign in. Click Photos Upload icon. Select Photos and click Choose to Upload. Method 4. Get photos from Mac to iPhone using AirDrop. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices. On iPhone, set AirDrop to Contacts Only or Everyone. On Mac, open Finder AirDrop. Drag photos to iPhone. Tap Accept to receive. Method 5. Send photos from Mac to iPhone with Google Photos. On Mac, open Google Photos or visit its website. Click Upload Computer, select Photos, then click Upload. On iPhone, open Google Photos, sign in, find your photos, tap Share Save Image.